Want to learn how to edit your videos on your phone? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to edit amazing videos just using your phone. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, the place for discerning content creators and entrepreneurs looking to uplift their brand online. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe and remember that all the links mentioned in this video are in this description section. So you filmed on your phone and now you want to edit, and you don't want to invest in an expensive software like Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Well, why don't you use what you have, right? And editing on your phone doesn't mean that your videos will look bland or basic. There are ways to create amazing videos just by editing on your phone, and in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly that. So if there's something you're interested in learning, then keep watching. The first thing you need to do is to download the iMovie app on your phone if you haven't already. To do this, just go to the App Store to download it. If you guys are interested in having an Android version of this tutorial, please let me know in the comment section and I will create a video separately for that. Once you've downloaded your iMovie app, select on it and you will be taken to a page where you can create a new project. So click on the plus box and that will allow you to open a new project. So you have the option to either create a new movie or a new trailer. It's the movie option that we want because that allows you to then import your own photos and videos to play with, whereas a trailer you'll be using ready-made templates, which we don't want to use. So select on the movies and your media library will be opened up as soon as you click on movies, and here is the chance for you to select all the pictures or images and videos that you want to use for your project. Please keep in mind that you need to select everything you need beforehand before creating a movie, so that's an important thing to keep in mind. So another thing we'll be using for this tutorial is my animated video intro. If you guys are interested in learning how to create an animated video intro, please check out the video. I also added a couple words to it, like comment below and subscribe, that we'll be using later. So once you've inserted all the clips that you'll be using into the timeline, so the next thing we need to do is to start splitting the videos up. I will only need a couple seconds of each of the videos anyway, so we can delete the rest. As soon as you select on a video, then you see the options at the bottom, and one of the options you see at the bottom is the option to split, and that basically cuts the design up for you. So I'll just do the same for this video and delete the rest. We don't need that, so I'll do that for the intro. We need one for subscribe, we need one for comment below, and we need one and we need one for like. Just a couple seconds will do. There we go. And we'll do one as well for the outro. So that's fine. So we'll delete the rest. We don't need this long version of that. We'll remove the long version of the like, remove the long version of comment below, remove the longer version of subscribe, and the longer version of the intro. So there we have it. Let's just see how that looks. Okay, subscribe, comment below, like, and the intro that will be our outro. Oh, we forgot about this, so we just need to split that as well. There we go, and delete the rest, and for this one as well, and delete the rest. Okay, so let's just move that to the end and move like actually let me move like to the beginning, because I wanted to say like, comment below and subscribe. So I'm just gonna move like to the beginning. Well, yeah, after the intro. Okay, I'm gonna have to move the 2 videos behind the intro, and I'll move that behind as well. Okay, so what we want to do is to bring like in between them, and subscribe. We also need another video after comment below, after subscribe. And there we have it. So we have the intro, a video, like, a video, subscribe, a video, comment below, and the outro. So there we have it. The video as it is right now is just a bit too slow, so we need to speed things up a bit. So select on one of the clips and you will see the menu at the bottom. There is an icon for a clock that you need to click on. Once you click on it, drag the option all the way to the fastest, and that will basically, you know, speed up the clip. And we need to do that for each of the clips on the timeline. So we'll do that for this video, do that for like, and the rest. Okay, let's see how that looks now. Yes, that looks really good. So yeah, that's it guys, a really quick and easy tutorial on how to edit in your phone. Obviously we had to bring some elements from Canva just to spice things up a bit, but the only thing limiting you is your imagination here. So think outside the box, and when you're ready, you can download the video to your phone. You can save it to your phone or share it on any platform you want. So yeah, I hope you've learned a thing or two from this tutorial. If you guys want me to do an Android version of this tutorial, please put it down in the comment section below. If this video was helpful, then give it a thumbs up, and remember to click on the notification icon so that you're notified when I post another video. Before you go, why not check out the videos on the screen? The first one showing you how to customize generic stock images for your business, and the second one showing you how to create high converting thumbnails to get more views for your channel.